Imagine I'm feeling so pain holding this ice in my hand. I hope I don't fall. Oi. This part is done. Now I will find another spot. Now the time is actually 2 p.m. So still I have time. Maybe I can visit 2 more places. I found out one more good location, which is zoo park, and they have this lake. Maybe it's frozen. Let's go and check. So I just booked a taxi which shows it's 3 minutes away. So by the way, I'm using this Yandex app, which is very good to travel in the taxi if you prefer taxi, because it's cheap and it's easy to use. See, now I'm right here and the taxi is on my way. He will pick me up and he will drop me, and also we have the charges in the app itself, like it's showing how much it will charge. So they will not say any amount they have in their mind. So we are paying what app is asking for us. Let's wait for the taxi. Oh, the guy's here. Hello. Let's go. Zoo?
Park tavam.
Park. Yeah.
Park.
It is very difficult to understand the language. Alright, I reached this park right now here. So the taxi guy was supposed to drop me beside this because we have to walk all the way. He said me that have a look around this park and maybe you like it. He was trying to explain me in this Kazakhstan, and I got it what he was trying to say, and I said it was a good idea, right? So I was supposed to pay 630 on that place, but he charged me 400 because he left me earlier. So this is the park. The snowman here looks weird. Can you imagine? He's drinking smoke all night. They have all the animals here. Horse, snake, fox, rabbit. We have a sheep. What the fuck is this? Camel with a chua sitting on his head. I saw a zoo on the map, but I don't know how to go there. Let's find out how to go there. I really want to jump like this, but it feels so excited. But you know what? Imagine I'm feeling so pain holding this ice in my hand. Imagine if I jump, what will happen to me? I don't want to take a risk because this is the first day and I don't want to get sick. But I really want to do it. Fuck, should I do it? I think not. Looks like a play area, like with all the ferry wheels and this thing, but it's closed now due to snowfall. And you have the ticket counter here. Maybe in the summer it's very good, like you know, all the lightings and everything, same like the Bhagyadevurus. Every park is closed here. There you have the Ferris wheel and everything. Oh, people are playing a football here. Let's see. I hope they invite me. People are playing a volleyball here. Your hand is not paining with the snow?
Huh?
Your hand is not paining like in the snow? Walaikum assalam.
Assalamu alaikum.
Muslim.
Muslim?
Can I play with you? Yeah.
Давай. Вы честно? I'm да? Раз. Оны биш, ағайға биш. Ағайға биш. Dur. Выйди, ты думаешь, что? Дай, Ah, the friend is a bad much to us. Woo, good. What is fine? ما علي باي سمير سيرتي. تعرف والله مش good. والله فوتبول.
Time to play football now.
Right. Good. Good. Qu'est-ce qu'on met caméra blesse maintenant? Striker, what's it?
Striker. I just warmed up my body by playing with these kids. They are very nice kids. I played volleyball and football, but I don't know why I was getting exhausted by little of run. Yes, I know that I am not touching football for a long time. By the winter, maybe I think we get easily exhausted. It was fun. I don't know when I will get another idea to play with this in the snow with these kids. So it was good experience. So right now I am at the place where I saw this lake on the map. It was blue, but now when I see it, it's all frozen. I hope I don't fall. Yeah! Oi! And I finally fall. And the lake in front of me, it's fully frozen. Oh, fuck. You can see a little bit ducks here, and you see the ice still not fully frozen. Coming down from there and I fall. Perfect. How much is it? Thank you. Thank you. Right now I'm at this zoo park. Let's go to that map and see how it is. What we will get for 800 tenge. So this is the park, and fuck, there is no English at all. Okay, I have to see the emojis now. Okay, what I will do is I'll go left and I will take a round from there and I'll come back. This will be the last spot for the video. One day in Kazakhstan. It was a really fun day, I will tell you. I enjoyed a lot. Especially in this weather, you feel some bit of cold, and these people around you, so happy people, and everything you see is new. Every place, every step you keep is new. So I'm very happy. Do you see that? There are tigers sleeping around. I can hear the lion roaring inside there. Yak, horses, and camel. Oh wow, snow camel. This is the wolf place. A white wolf. Really like wolf because these are the only animals who cannot be ruled. Lion can be ruled, tiger can be ruled, I mean captured, you know. They will act like in the circus, but wolf never do that. That's why I love wolf. It's really worth it, man. For 800 tenge, I am seeing the animals I have never seen in my life. Ooh, oh yes, there is a deer there. He knows people will annoy him. That's why he's sitting so far away. Dangerous animal in the jungle. Especially for us, it's very worth it, but for the people here maybe it's not worth it, but yes, for me it was really worth it. Good experience. So that was all about the zoo. Now I have to end the video here because I did lot of footage and from my perspective it was a very beautiful experience. So yes, the day one completes like this. And all the Kazakhstan special, which is 3000.
Chef